nice full moon. So we made it here to the sunrise point. Perfect timing. Good morning, everyone. We're going to drive up to the sunrise point, Mount Bromo. We're going up to one of the highest points called Penanjakan. We're in, what's the name of the town?
Wonokitri.
We're in the Wonokitri town. I can't pronounce all these words. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, but it's only like a 25 minute drive from here. So it's a very quick drive up the hill. So we'll be able to get sunrise without having to drive at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. So it's one of the reasons why we stayed up here. So it should be a quick, easy drive up. We're gonna try to get some coffee and some food before we head up as well. The viewpoint is just a 5-minute walk up the hill. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Sid Howard, and I'm towards the end of my 4-week motorbike tour across Java, Indonesia. We just started the morning off in Wonokitri. It's a small village town. We just arrived to the Bromo sunrise viewpoint called Penanjakan. I probably said that wrong, but it's just a short 20-minute ride away. Throughout this video, I will show you some do's and don'ts. Hang out and enjoy. Got a nice full moon. So we were told that you needed like a fully suspension off-road Jeep, Land Cruiser, or a dirt bike. I saw not one single pothole on this paved road the entire way up. Lots of turns though. I would say the only thing you need is a bike with some power because it's pretty high elevation, especially if you have a second person with you. Can't breathe. But we made it. It's 4:45 in the morning. That's the time. Oh, I have rain jacket. Thank you.
Very good, you are.
Yeah. Get some coffee maybe. I got Red Bull. So going up is a series of stairs and a nice smooth hill. For a mountain of this high, sure is a pretty smooth pathway up. So we made it here to the sunrise point. Perfect timing. There's quite a bit of people here already. There's steps right there where you can hang out and watch the sunrise. I'm just trying to figure out where to put my camera for a time lapse. Well, I totally missed the actual sun part of the sunrise on the time lapse, but that's alright. At least I got to enjoy it. See right there, the volcano just farted. A little poof of smoke right there. Just stopped to get some food real quick. Now we're gonna head down to the bike and drive across the sand dunes or desert, whatever, and climb to the top of the crater of Mount Bromo. It said it's supposed to be stairs the entire way. Should be pretty easy. We'll see what happens. So here's one of the other viewpoints you can come check out. Full hangout area right there. Or a closer view of this volcano right here. Apparently this one right here is extinct. I mean, it's done. No more boom boom out of the volcano. So that's the area we're gonna drive to the sand dunes, the desert. We're gonna rip it on our motorbike that we got here.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Hell yeah. Oh. Shit, that's soft. I was asking. Nope. Huh? Okay, alright. Which one should I do? Jesus fuck. Oh shit. Hah?
Gak ngerti nggak dengar?
Apa? Oh, bantu ngojek.
Oh nggak usah pak.
Ini kalau diterusin jebol kebanyakan.
What do you say?
He said won't make it and it will break your bike.
Karet itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Huh?
What do you think? He mentioned about fan belt and things. I'm like, but we know that they're just trying to, do something, get money. But
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, in a way, it's like.
We'll try it for a little bit.
Telur, dimatiin. Telur. Buat itu kemasukan anu.
Well, how much further is it smooth like this?
Behind this mountain.
So it's smooth like this the whole way?
Yeah.
I just don't want to leave the bike behind.
No, the bike will be driven by someone else because they.
So someone else is gonna break it? They don't care. I'm not gonna let someone crash it. If they crash, it's my loss. Let's go back up the hill and just get one of those Jeeps. Watch out. God. Well, we failed the attempt to drive through the sand dunes. I thought it was hard ground, but it's actually sand. It's like beach sand, and the bike just won't work. Tires are soft, and the bike's just heavy, and I just ran the risk of burning the belt up and I don't want to have to deal with that. So we're gonna let the bike cool down, drive up the hill, and if possible, hire a Jeep SUV to take us down there and check it out. Nice.
Tak ngerti ku tiket jere saking warungnya Bromo.